Okay, so this is basically the bike. I've got a little bit of, it's not quite shiny enough, so we've got to repolish a few things. Don't like the foot pegs, going to remake those, don't like those. I like to keep the line, like this, my brake pedal follows this line. I made a shock absorber for the seat out of aluminium and polished it. We've made the hand grips out of aluminium. The seat is aluminium, everything is. I'm obsessed. Anyway, there's a couple little things, because the engine, as I said, is going to be hidden in here. And it's like, I'm kind of proud of the engine, but you can't see it. So what I'm doing, this is where the clutch will come through here. So I've made up this little framed piece with this mesh, which is going to go in here. Everything's held together with Zeus's, so it's quick and easy to take apart. The throttle is internal. Like, I've got minimal amounts of fasteners on the outside because I want to keep it clean, uncluttered. Has one switch up here, which is off. I'm going to make a top for this, so the switch mimics this gas filler. So anyway, we've got this, which will go on there. This, I've got little hinges on. This will go on here. We're originally going to make a grill, and I wanted to keep it smooth and clean. So I made this scoop, which is going to go on there. So it'll be like that. And I've got little hinges, and it just opens up so you can see some of the engine detail, because I'm kind of proud of the engine. I think it looks great. So anyway, we'll take the throttle apart. Then these pieces, which is Zeusford here, we take this filler off there, goes under the headlight. These pieces come off here. So what we'd normally do is have those off. These are the forks. I've made these hubs here, which contain either side preloaded Timken bearings. As I said, the axle has to turn.